Cash Giraffe and Coin Pop both reward users for playing mobile games, but the number of available games can change depending on your device, location, and current offers. By the end of this video, you'll know how Cash Giraffe and Coin Pop compare for game variety, how their reward systems work, and which app makes more sense if your goal is finding more games to play. The simple answer is that neither app has a permanently fixed game list. Both platforms regularly update available offers, so the app with more games can be different from one user to another. Cash Giraffe works by connecting users with eligible mobile games. You install a game through the app, open it using the tracked link, and earn rewards by completing qualifying gameplay activities. The number of games you see depends on the offers available for your account. CoinPop follows a similar model. You discover games inside the app, install eligible titles through its tracking system, and earn rewards while playing. The available selection can also change based on your device and account. The biggest difference comes down to the games shown to you. One user might open Cash Giraffe and see several games that match their interests. Another user might see a different selection, because mobile reward apps customize offers based on factors like device compatibility and available campaigns. The same applies to CoinPop.io. Having an app installed does not guarantee that every listed game will appear for every user. The most useful comparison is checking the actual game library available on your own account. If you care about variety, compare both apps before spending hours on a single game. Look for titles you would actually enjoy playing. Check the reward requirements, and choose the platform with the better current selection. Another thing to watch is tracking. Both types of reward apps depend on correct installation. If you install a game before opening it through the app's offer page, your progress may not be connected to the reward system. So which app has more games? There is no permanent winner. Cash Giraffe and Coin Pop both rely on changing game offers, and the better choice depends on what appears for your account right now. The app with more games you actually want to play will usually give you the better experience. The key points are simple. Game availability changes. Both apps rely on tracked installations, and your personal offer list matters more than general app comparisons. Check both libraries before committing your time, choose the games you enjoy, and use the platform that gives you the best available options. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe for more app comparisons, and check out the next guide.